Hi, my name is Estelle and I am 12 years old. I am in program E. This is my website, Clocks Around the World. It has 5 different clocks. It shows the Malaysian time, the London time, the New York time, the Tokyo time, and the Sydney time. The website also has some facts about the countries. These are the Malaysian facts. These are the London facts. These are the New York facts. These are the Tokyo facts. And these are the Sydney facts. Below, there are some trivia about time. This is the code. I entered my requirement into the AI program and it generated my website. I am very happy with my project because it can help travelers tell the time in other countries. There were minimal challenges for me as the AI was intuitive. Thank you. Okay, how to stop it?